Welcome to Musinvest in Cambodia. Right now, I'm in the biggest rice factory in Cambodia. This is 30 hectares. It's a very big rice factory. And in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how much rice is produced in Battambang province. This is the province with the best quality of rice, not only in Cambodia, but in the world. Even Thailand was getting rice from here and then putting made in Thailand and then selling it to the world. So this is the best rice you can get in Cambodia. Yes, obviously before we start, check out our official website and our Facebook meta page, Instagram page if you'd like to connect with us. We work with the highest authority here in Cambodia. And yes, right now I'm in this rice factory. So we have different grades of rice. The higher grade rice is used for consumption and export to other countries, while the lower grade one is used for animals. Yes, we can feed animals, so it's used for cattle. But overall, we have all kinds of rice that are milled here in this factory. We have different machines for breaking, machines for processing, machines for cleaning. Yes, all machines are here, a lot of equipment, special equipment, and Cambodia actually exports 940,000 tons were exported in 2025. Mostly were to the European Union, Asian countries, also the North America continent and other countries. But overall, we are talking about an estimated total value of 14.6 million US dollars, and also a lot of rice that is actually milled. So compared to 2024, there was an increment of 46% because of the very good yield that you can get from the production of rice here. You can imagine more than almost 1 million tons of milled rice exported to other countries. And Cambodia is one of the largest producers of rice in the world. So the total value of exports about 602 million US dollars, but the total production aggregated value of around 14.6 million tons. So you can imagine how much rice that Cambodia produces, and we can actually help you if you want to export rice to your country, you want to import to your country. So we do exports from here, the biggest rice factory in Cambodia, in Battambang province, that is world famous for its quality of rice, Jasmine rice. So yes, definitely a very interesting option, because every year the production of rice in Cambodia is increasing. You can imagine 46% increment compared to 2024. So every single day, 1,500 tons of rice is actually being produced every single day. You can imagine 1,500 tons a day produced from this rice factory. If you're interested, you can contact us on our official website, our Facebook meta page and Instagram page, and I'll see you next time.